If ads are running with 4% of conversion ratio, yeah, suddenly decreased to 1%, what could be the reason? Great question. Some campaigns will die. It's not that one campaign is running at a certain conversion rate and is going to carry on running it. If you, obviously I haven't seen your ad, so I cannot give a very specific reply to your question. But if you're running on, let's say, TCPA or TROAS or any smart bidding, avoid trying to make too many changes to that. Let it run and do not touch it, because the moment you touch something in it, it might go into the learning mode again. And that's where things start to go backwards rather than going forwards. So when I've got one campaign which is giving me leads on a consistent basis and at a good price, I don't need to worry about it. Why would I touch it? That's the thing. And that is what sometimes people get a bit more greedy, I should say, that, oh, I'm getting $5 leads, let me try and get $4 leads, and they will try and tweak that campaign. If you want to do something different, do it in a different campaign or a new campaign. Don't touch that one. Why are you trying to kill that hen which lays the golden egg? I wouldn't do that. The other thing which I would look at is possibly negative keywords you may have by accident put in, which are the best keywords or the search terms which are converting. So look at that. And the other thing is obviously the budget. If the campaign has been limited by budget, or it's not using up the budget as much as before, your conversions will go down, not necessarily your conversion rate, but look at the budget, that you don't want those to be limited by budget. But first thing I would look at is absolutely the negative keywords, and also look into your change history. Have you changed something yesterday or the day before yesterday which may have adversely affected on your campaign?